Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2 Steps. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete the saved data for any game in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application, and right now all I want to do is delete my saved data for this game right here. Well, it is quite easy. Initially, what you guys need to do is simply go to the top left, that is Steam. Simply click on it, and from here all you guys need to do is click on Settings. Once you do that, simply scroll over to Clouds, click on it, and disable this Enable Steam Cloud. I'm gonna do it right now. Now what I'm gonna do is simply close it. Now this right here is the game. I'm gonna go to Settings right here, and from here Properties. Likewise, all I'm gonna do is simply go to Updates here. Likewise, from here what I'm gonna do is simply go to the section called as Installed Files. I'm gonna click on it, and from here I'm just gonna go to the installation folder. I'm gonna hit on browse right now, and guys, this is it. From here simply search for the saved data folder and delete the saved file. In case you do not find the saved folder, what you guys need to do is simply go to Steam right here, simply click on it right now, and from here simply go to user data. I'm gonna go to it right now. Now once you've done that, I'm gonna open up a browser right now. As you can see, I have opened up Steam in my browser. From here, all I'm gonna do is search for Vector, our game's name, and this right here is the game. I'm just gonna click on it, and on the navbar, as you can see, there is an ID for the game. I'm simply gonna search for the game in my folder right now, and guys, this is it. This is the same folder name. I'm gonna click on it, and from here, what you guys need to do is simply delete this file right here. Click on Delete. Now what you have done is simply deleted your saved file for any game, and guys, that is it. That's how we delete a saved file for any game in Steam. It's quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.